Hello, Pike Road. I'm Gordon Stone, and what a blessing, privilege, and honor it is to serve as your mayor. It is especially exciting to have the opportunity to each week share with you all the exciting things that are happening in Pike Road. We are so blessed to have the engagement that we have, to have the community that cares like it does. Pike Road, we appreciate what you do, and we encourage you to keep on doing it. Weather's getting a little bit better. We're seeing more sunny days. The days are longer, and it's a great time to start planning for your activities. So let me give you a few to put on your list. February 17th, that's the last day that you can go and be a part of the When It's Cold Outside art show and sale. So between now and then, Saturdays and Sundays, the art house is open there off of Wallahatchie Road, and they'd love to have you come by and see what they're displaying. Local artists doing what they do, presenting to you under the theme of When It's Cold Outside, and making it available for you to purchase those items so you can share them throughout the community or throughout the region, or who knows where we'll find Pike Road art someday. Through February 17th, go by the art house. January 22nd through February 9th, we have been hosting, and during that time frame, our Valentine's for Veterans program. February 9th, we just have just a little bit over a week left for you to go and be a part of this wonderful activity of showing our love for our veterans, people who have dedicated themselves, who have given of themselves, who have sacrificed on our behalf. We know we have the freedoms we have because of those who serve. These veterans are in a place where our love and our encouragement means so much. So do what you can. Come by Town Hall, fill out those cards, fill out cards of your own, bring them by, and just say thank you. We love you and appreciate your service, or something like that. We will share them with the Central Alabama Veterans Association, and they will give them to veterans who will benefit from having this show of love. Then on February 8th and 9th, don't forget, we have another Art Council activity, Landscapes and Oil Workshop, featuring Perry Austin. This is a 2-day program you can sign up for. It runs from 9 to 4, and it's a wonderful opportunity for you to learn a little bit more about oil painting. What a great opportunity. And landscapes, we have beautiful landscapes in Pike Road, so what a great way to refine your artistic talent, to introduce yourself to artistic gifts. What a neat opportunity. Then on February 8th, we want to remind you that we have available for any citizen who wants to come and participate at Town Hall the opening discussion about our comprehensive plan. Every 5 years or so, municipalities like Pike Road who dedicate themselves to planning will have an opportunity for you to have input into their comprehensive plan, and that's what we're starting on February 8th in our wonderful town. It's at Town Hall. It'll be that evening. February 11th, Art Talk and Tea, another Arts Council activity on that Sunday afternoon, and this features a little different slant. From an artistic standpoint, this is James Keith Posey talking about theater and drama and how we can be involved in the wonderful expressions that allows us to have in Pike Road. What a great opportunity for you to learn more about what they're doing with the Pike Road Theater Company and other ways you can get involved in our Arts Council. February 20th, How Shade is Made. It is a wonderful way for us to tie our activities together with the Arbor celebration that's going to be coming up, where we work with the Forestry Commission and they provide tree seedlings. We're going to have an Ag and Stewardship program where our friends from the Cooperative Extension Service will help us learn how to plant trees, care for trees, grow the most robust trees in on our land or in our yards or wherever we want to refine our landscape by adding trees. So make sure you put that date down, February 20th. Go to pikeroad.us and register, because those programs do fill up, and we want to make sure you have your seat. Don't forget, late February, close to the same time, is when the seedlings will arrive, where we partner with the Forestry Commission to make them available to citizens in Pike Road. One final reminder too, our prayer team is going to come together to talk about the summer feeding program. That'll be March 12th, and it's an informational meeting. If you have a 501c3, you have a Boy Scouts or Girl Scouts group, you have an organization in town that wants to participate in this very, very important service-oriented opportunity, come to this meeting on March 12th, and you can find out more about that by contacting Jennifer Grace at Pike Road, Jennifer Grace Arnold. Contact her at the town of Pike Road, and she'll be glad to fill you in on where the meeting will be, the time, and all the details that you'll need. A lot of things happening. more things to come. We're so excited to bring you these wonderful opportunities to connect, to be a part of this special town, Pike Road. We'll pray for you, friends. We ask that you pray for each other.